How to fix login error in Kango application. First, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to have some internet connection. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if you are still facing any kinds of login problem, you can simply go to your settings, scroll down and click on General, tap on iPhone storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Kango application. App we're looking for, simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any login problems. However, if there is still any kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.